Hi guys, so I've got Gino Ray's Dancing Drums video booth here. Well, not the booth, the actual event file that he's created to run on his Dancing Drums video booth. I have to say, very impressed with the whole thing. For those that don't know what it is, let me show you. So Gino's put together this piece of equipment. In here we have a PC with a touchscreen running RightBooth. Down at the bottom is a webcam. I think it's a Logitech, I'm not sure. And up at the top we have a speaker. So the user can choose a video to dance to. So on the Choose Karaoke screen, there's a list of files, and each one is a video. I think it's a TikTok dance video. When they've chosen the dance video, they come onto this screen where the video plays in this part of the screen, and they can see themselves dancing to the video on this part of the screen, and the end result is they have a dancing video with the audio track that they can then email to themselves. So really impressed. It got me to thinking, is there anything I can do in terms of extra features to help this kind of workflow really? So what you're looking at here are new features that I've put into RightBooth version 7.7.33. So I'll add them. Firstly, on the Choose Karaoke screen, we have a list of files, as I say, that can be selected by the user. The thing about this screen is, though, you don't get to see a preview of the one that you've chosen. So I thought that would be quite useful to add. So to do that, you need to add a video item, make it a placeholder item, and here we are. Let's put it down in this area of the screen. And what you have to do is set its property, its content property, to be this new feature, this new property, current karaoke. Now, what RightBooth will do is whenever you choose one of the karaoke tracks, it will play the video in here so you can see the preview before you move on. So that's the first change. Now, second change. On the record karaoke screen, I thought it would be quite useful to perhaps record the selected video file into the webcam recording. So, how would you go about that? Again, I'm going to add a video item, a placeholder. I'm going to put it here in this top corner. Now, I'm going to make that, again, the current karaoke. So let's just set that to stretch and put that into that corner again. Remember, this is a HD video, so it's in portrait mode. It's got the camera rotated at 90 degrees, so all the videos that it has are this size and shape. Right, now for those of you who don't know, it's possible to put items that you add to the screen into the video recording, and that's done by using the stamp property. So here we are with the stamp property. I turn it on for this item, but I also in this case have to use the background removal feature by turning this on. And what that tells RightBooth is to create video stills all the way through the playback of that particular item, and those video stills are added into the webcam recording at so many frames per second. So you have to have this ticked. Also, make sure you set this to no, so you don't remove any green pixels or black pixels from the video frames. So it's going to be a full frame capture at 20 frames per second. Another thing we need to do is turn down the volume on this object. If we don't, then both these items will be playing the currently selected karaoke track, and you'll get a bit of an echo. So let's reduce that right down to 0. Also, we don't want it repeating. We also don't want this one repeating, because the timeout on the screen, as you can see here, is on video item. So what that means is that while the recording is going on, it will keep recording on the webcam until this video has finished playing, and then it will move on to the next screen. So just to recap then, we have a new video item. We place it somewhere over the webcam feed, the camera feed. I'm going in this top corner with it. And we set it to be a stamp item, and we turn on the background removal feature. Right, let's see what happens. Let's play the event. Touch the screen to start. Now, as I select one of these, you'll see a preview. So I'll go for the first one, and let's move on now. Right, it's recording. I am not dancing for you folks, I'm sorry. Let's get this guy doing it. But as you can see, we've got this playing twice, and this one is actually being recorded into the webcam recording. Now, I haven't been capturing the audio from my recordings so that you can hear my commentary, but as you can see now on the playback, it's got me in it, it's got my dancing bear, it's got the video overlay, which is the chosen karaoke track. So that might be useful, and this is available in version 7.7.33 of RightBooth, and I hope you make use of it.